Hello, as you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be building a PC build because I want to start trying to play new games. Retail therapy. I've been really excited to film my next YouTube video. I guess I'm having fun filming stuff, something that's been taking up my time during quarantine and been really fun so far. I'm not sure if you can tell the difference. I mean, maybe there is no difference. I'm talking a little louder in this video because I'm in the basement right now where no one can hear me, and that gives me a little bit more comfort, but I can kind of hear footsteps from upstairs, so if you notice a shift in my volume, then it's probably because I can hear someone coming down. So I'm gonna start this video by showing you PC build parts that I have bought. The parts that I got are nothing too fancy because I wanted to use my PC build for not only gaming, but I also want to use it for graphic design, which is what I'm in school for, and filming, so I can shoot better quality YouTube videos. Not that they had any quality to begin with anyway, but we're trying. I'm trying. Also, another thing I thought that was important to say is that I am not a professional at building PCs, and if anything, you can just enjoy me struggling. I began this whole process making a list of parts. I also reached out to my friends because almost all of them are gamers. One of my friends actually described this as playing with Legos. You get pieces you like and you build something. All the names, CPU, GPU, R2-D2, they're all very confusing to me. After doing some research, going to the store and buying all those parts and talking to the staff, you do get a little more comfortable with all these letters. So let me show you my parts. It's another thing I'm really excited about because I've always wanted to have a pink setup. I chose to order from Amazon because I wanted them pink. Does that make me basic? Maybe. Do I care? Only if you make me cry about it. I remember back when I was living at the dorms, my first year in university, my whole room, well, not my whole room, but a lot of my items were pink, and I think that scared a lot of yeah. Another thing that I didn't think about though was where I would put that PC build, because currently my living situation, I share a room with 50 Barbie dolls and plushies, and I'm away from my parents too, so that's kind of hard, but I guess that's just one of the challenges of life, right?